Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the design, now make it shareable. Open the Prototype tab, confirm your start frame, and test each interaction so navigation feels right. Once done, choose a device preset to lock viewport and set background behavior. This helps viewers see the intended layout. Next, click Share and change link access to the appropriate permission. Make sure the link is live prototype, not just view-only artboards, because Behance needs the interactive play to embed correctly. Now extract the embed code you'll place on Behance. In the Figma Share dialog, select Embed and confirm you're embedding the prototype, not a file preview. Adjust the width and height so the iframe matches your Behance project column or full-width layout. This prevents awkward cropping. Copy the iframe snippet or the direct prototype URL. Behance accepts either in its embed block. Make sure link permissions remain open so visitors can interact without needing a Figma account. On Behance, create or edit your project and insert an embed block where the prototype should appear. Paste the Figma iframe or prototype URL, then resize the preview frame to match your layout and add a short caption that tells viewers how to interact. Before you publish, preview the project and click through the prototype to confirm everything works. If it fails, check that Figma link permissions permit public viewing. That's the usual culprit. Then republish once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.